Hi everybody, so today it's me, and this is part 2 of us doing a firework. And last time we did the Komodo Dragon 3000, and this time we're doing smoke bombs, so let's get to it.
Oh my gosh, I just forgot. The smoke. Smoky.
Look at that! Look at it.
Smoky. Remember we got like smoke, we were stuck in smoke. Remember last time we were stuck in smoke?
Check it out, see? Oh, Byron, look.
Yeah, look it.
Step away, step back. But look, it's coming out good.
Look at mine!
Don't touch it. Nope. Oh, that looks awesome. How's it look on camera? Oh, that's cool.
Why can't I touch it?
Look at these things. They're
Why
pretty neat.
Pink and green.
Missing.
Here we go!
You can run through it. Go ahead. Oh, I think the smoke bombs are
Hey,
Now
why are you firing?
I can't see anything.
Hey.
I'm in smoke.
That's good.
Rylan's is turning colors. Yours is turning colors too.
I can't see anything.
Mine's red.
Step back. Step back.
Mine's turning the orange, and Rylan's is turning the blue. What the? Wee. This is a long smoke bomb.
No. Close your mouth when you
Don't
go.
get too close, brother. Take a step back. Step back. Come over here with me.
You have to close your mouth when you're smoke bombs because you might get the stuff in your mouth.
Yeah, look, they were pretty good.
Yeah.
I don't think they were bad at all.
They were not bad at all. Hey, fire crew! Fire crew! You get yours, Rylan, and Daddy will get mine. Here's the fire crew! Fire crew!
Daddy, I'm
Fire crew! Fire crew! Bye everybody, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Bye! And this is only part 1. There's many more to go.